B&V Enterprises is proud to offer the Thorough-Built Renegade Aluminum Horse Trailer, featuring an aerodynamic nose, a 6-inch roof radius, and an 8-inch extended tongue for ease of towing. The Renegade Aluminum features the best in towing couplers and safety chain systems.
Roseburg Trailer Works, we're big fans of the Bulldog coupler. It's one of the most tried and true in the industry. They almost never fail with a locking final safety pin. The other feature up here in front that we're real proud of is this, our chain system, which is overrated for the weight of the trailer, meets and exceeds the DOT standards, and then our mechanism for locking it in place. We actually punch through the channel iron and run a bolt behind the chain so that the integrity of the chain isn't sacrificed to welding. And then we run that through this rope tie here. Rope tie is softer than the chain so that the initial strike of the vehicle is taken up here. And then to remove the chain from the tongue, you actually have to pull it all the way through the steel. NATM has given us a lot of compliments on that one, and we're pretty proud of it.
Our trailers have thicker outer skins and easy-to-use feeder windows.
A lot of manufacturers have shortcut their outer aluminum skins. They'll use an 030 or an 032 aluminum outer skin. We use an 050 on the roof, the front, and the sides, just because it's thicker and a lot stronger than what's out there in the market. The windows are drop-down feed windows. We put the latching system in the center. You can find them on the top or the bottom. We find the ones on the top are too tall to reach. The ones on the bottom don't give them the control of the window when they open it. But with this window, they actually have control when they unlatch it. And the drop-down feed bars, jail bar, right there. All very easy use.
The Renegade Aluminum Smooth Riding Suspension System uses the Equiflex equalizer. The Equiflex system maintains the load-sharing properties of a sprung axle, but uses a rubber shock absorber to provide a torsion ride when loaded.
When under load, you have weight transfer between the springs. We get the benefits of both.
Tying your horse to the Renegade Aluminum is as easy as can be.
At Roseburg Trailer Works, we recognize that most buyers of horse trailers are actually women. Since most women are not 6 feet tall, we move the rope ties to the outside of the fender wells to make sure that they can be reached. At no time will you ever find the rope tie above the top of the fender. We always stick them to the ends where they're easily accessible by using the aluminum step plates.
The Renegade Aluminum features the same quality exterior lighting as our other high-end horse trailers.
All LED lighting, and we provide it bottom and top for maximum demarcation. We have a spotlight attached to an RV marine battery so it can be accessed and used even when you're not connected to the vehicle. Double cam latch rear doors with wraparound hinge.
Feed bags, locking dividers, heavy-duty floors and matting, plus plentiful ventilation and lighting are standard inside the Renegade Aluminum.
Each trailer comes equipped with a feed bag in each stall. The divider itself, double beam, steel, 2-inch, very solid, with a jail bar front. We use a jail bar front because horses are basically social animals and they like to see each other. And we firmly believe in that. The divider is telescoping and slam lock. Quick and easy operation. When you don't want the divider and you want it to open, push the telescoping down and it just sticks to the wall. And that's where it stays. 48 inches on down, we put a steel lining on the inside of the trailer, 360 degrees. On top of that, we feature 360-degree wall mat bonded to the steel. Each 1/4-inch wall mat actually runs all the way down to the floor and laps out onto the floor. We do this intentionally because the primary rot zone inside of the trailer is up against the edge. This forces urine and feces away from the wall. The floor itself is made out of Douglas fir, And we use 2x8 boards instead of 2x12 to reduce the amount of heartwood that's actually there. On top of that, 1/2-inch floor mat to finish out the process. For our roofs, we use an internal bows system, 1-inch 16-gauge steel roof bows. The aluminum is actually lapped 1 inch on center with the roof bows. Each stall features a roof vent for maximum ventilation. To complete the ventilation picture, the rump side of the trailer is also equipped with sliding bus windows for pretty much 270-degree ventilation inside of the trailer itself. The lighting system that's inside the trailer, we've made a couple modifications to. One, we always want the individual to be able to have light in the rear stall area. That's why this light is actually attached to the RV marine battery and will come on even when not connected to the vehicle. The other light, running on a completely separate circuit, is attached only to the vehicle. Therefore, if one circuit line fails, they have a backup to use this light from the vehicle.
The tack room is full of useful features.
Each trailer actually features an external light next to the tack room door, attached to the RV battery so that the power is always there if you need it. And one full-scale RV door with screen. Our 36-inch RV door allows us to use a pivot-out saddle rack with easy release, gas shocks to lock it outside the door. Each trailer features double blanket bars, 5 bridle hook positions with a carpeted wall to reduce sound and vibration, and lastly, close rod when you're going to go to an event. In most trailers, it's important to have as much storage as possible in a tack room area. To accommodate that, we've established a boot box that also functions as a seat, a full-scale length vanity with a mirrored oak door. Each trailer features a 36-gallon quarter water tank with hoses for watering your animals and stock as needed.
The rust-resistant exterior and aerodynamics, plus all the features shown, makes the Renegade Aluminum one of our top sellers. To buy a thoroughbuilt Renegade Aluminum Horse trailer, contact V&V Enterprises today. For Roseburg, call 1-800-769-2315. For Albany, 1-800-769-6610.